Choosing the right CRM can make a huge difference in how your sales team performs. A good CRM helps you to track leads, manage deals, follow up with customers, and keep your entire sales pipeline organized. But with so many options available, it can get confusing to decide which one actually fits your business. Two of the most popular choices in this space are Pipedrive and Monday CRM. Both are powerful, both are widely used, but they are built with slightly different approaches. In this video, we will compare Pipedrive versus Monday CRM and help you understand which one is better option for your sales team. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you find the best tools to grow and manage your business more efficiently. If that sounds good to you, make sure to like this video, subscribe this channel, and don't forget to check the link from description to get special offers on the tools that I mentioned in this video. By using the description links, any available discount or promotion will be applied automatically. Now let's come to the main part of the video. First of all, let's talk about the Pipedrive. Pipedrive is a CRM built especially for sales teams. Its main focus is helping you manage deals through a visual sales pipeline. When you open Pipedrive, you immediately see your deals organized in different stages, which makes it very easy to understand where each lead is in your sales process. One of the biggest strengths of Pipedrive is simplicity. It is designed to be intuitive, especially for the salespeople who don't want to deal with complicated software. You can easily drag and drop deals between stages, set follow-up tasks, schedule activities, and track communication with leads. Pipedrive also offers strong automation features. You can automate repetitive tasks such as sending follow-up emails, updating deal stages, and assigning leads to team members. This helps sales teams save time and stay consistent with their pipeline management. Another advantage is its focus on sales performance. Pipedrive provides clear reporting and forecasting tools that help you understand how your sales team is performing and what deals are likely to close. Another advantage is its focus on sales performance. Pipedrive provides clear reporting and forecasting tool that help you understand how your sales team is performing and what deals are likely to close. Now let's talk about the Monday CRM. Monday CRM is a part of the larger Monday.com work platform, which means it is designed to handle not just sales but also project management, marketing workflows, and general team collaboration. Unlike Pipedrive, Monday CRM is highly customizable. You can build your own workflows, pipelines, dashboard, and automation systems based on how your team operates. This makes it very flexible for businesses that want more than just a traditional CRM structure. One of the Monday CRM's strongest feature is its visual interface. It uses board, column, dashboard to help teams to organize information in a clear and structured way. You can track leads, manage projects, assign tasks, and collaborate with team members all in one place. Monday CRM also offers strong automation capabilities. You can create rules that automatically move leads, send notifications, update status, and connect different parts of your workflow without manual effort. Now let's talk about the ease of use. Pipedrive is generally easier for sales-focused teams because it is built specifically for managing deals. The interface is straightforward and new users can quickly understand how the pipeline works. Monday CRM, on the other hand, it offers more flexibility, but that flexibility comes with a learning curve. Because you can customize almost everything, you may take more time to set up and configure properly. When it comes to sales focus, Pipedrive has a clear advantage. It is purpose built for managing sales pipeline, forecasting, closing deals, and everything is optimized around the sales process. Monday CRM is better suited for teams that need a combination of CRM and project management in one platform. It works well for companies that want to manage multiple types of workflows beyond just sales. In terms of automation, both tools are strong. While Monday CRM provides broader workflow automation across different departments. So which one should you choose? If your main goal is sales pipeline management, deal tracking, and closing more deals efficiently, Pipedrive is actually the better choice. It is simple, it is focused, and designed especially for sales teams. If you want a more flexible platform that combines CRM with project management, team collaboration, and custom workflow, Monday CRM may be a better fit. At the end of the day, both tools are excellent. The right choice depends on whether you want a focused sales CRM or a customizable all-in-one workspace. And that brings us to the end of this video. Hopefully this video helped you to understand the key differences between Pipedrive and Monday CRM and decide which one fits your business better. Thank you so much for watching Easy Access Tech. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe this channel, and check the description link for any available offers. And I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.